Hey, what's up everyone? Troy here with Restoring Eden. I'm out here with my daughter, Harvest, and we are going to do a quick fruit review of a Wenatchee Park apricot tree. And so there's not many apricots that supposedly grow in the Seattle area. This is a more difficult tree to grow here, but I have to say, the Wenatchee Park variety that we have planted out last year produced fruit, and then this year it actually had a pretty good harvest. It's self-fertile, and this fruit is phenomenal. It's got this wonderful, oh, hold on, let me show you. It's got this wonderful honey flavor to it, and Harvest seems to approve of it. I'll give it to your brother. Let me know what you think.
Oh, it tastes really good.
I really like this apricot. It's July 30th here, and we've had just a mild summer. So that's when they ripen here. There's also another variety called Puget Gold, and we just planted that one out. We haven't got to try it. But as fruit goes, this apricot is super good and extremely sweet. It measures right around 19 bricks. Degrees Brix, which means it's really sweet, as sweet if not sweeter than most grapes that you're gonna find. So if you have the space for it, I highly recommend planting the Wenatchee apricot tree.
Yeah, this one, well.
All right guys, over and out.
Yeah, over and out.